Where do you stay?
We're staying in Legia.
Oh, Legian,
Well,
just
up around.
up there. Okay. And usually it was very quiet. Very good, Sam.
Do you want to buy 3 halves for fire?
It's good. Kidai, mate. Benesari Street.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, for today, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. And our journey today start from exactly beside Poppy's Lane 2. Let me show you around here. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street, just make sure watch the video until the end. Or maybe you want to know how look like the update situation at the moment in Benesari Kuta Bali. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today, because the last video when I make video in this area by motorbike was not really busy.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Art shop. Yeah, they are open. That's good. Wow, future is over there. Wow, cool painting. Looks so beautiful art. Not really bad, isn't it? We can see futurists in this area. Wow, that's good. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
Is
just-
your name Rick?
No, my name is Bali Travel Vlog in YouTube.
Oh, I think we've got that.
You watching my video?
Yeah.
Really? Thank you very much.
That's okay.
Where do you stay?
We're staying in Legia.
Oh, Legian,
Well,
just
up around.
up there. Okay. Enjoy your holiday in Bali.
Yeah.
We hope together the weather getting better and
It's
better.
getting better.
How long you been in Bali already?
2 days.
Today? Oh, good, because last week was very bad.
Yes, we heard that. Yes.
Enjoy your holiday in Bali.
Thank you
And
very much.
you have beautiful smile.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy, thank you. Wow. So pretty. Okay guys, let's continue walking at Benesari. New Cafe. Cafe baru Mbak ya?
Enggak.
Udah lama ya?
Ya.
Wow, nice. Looks so cute. Cute place, but very nice location. In this area, there is a lot small hotel also, and also guest house, and also for sure we have bungalow in this area. And this area also very famous a long time ago. Phew. This is another restaurant. 60K. And this is spa. Wow. Oh, maybe Kay will stay here and Brooke. Maybe in this hotel. Kay and Brooke will stay around here very soon. Wow, so hot today. So humid. Yeah, new restaurant. Wow, Futurist over there is good. Wow, nice. Okay, let's keep continue walking in Benesari Kuta Bali. Few shop open yet. Yeah, because together after the pandemic happening, everything changed. Because so quiet in this area usually, but today I'm really happy because we can see futurists walk around in this area, and usually it was very quiet. It's good. RPM surf. Oh. Where they are. Not busy yet. Wow. So hard for today. Mr. Dev. Tourists over there. Orson left side. Very good, Sam.
Do you want to buy 3 halves for fire?
Cute boy. Wow, very beautiful art. Look like a real. That's good. New restaurant and spa also over there. Wow, squad bar. Good day, mate. Enjoy your holiday. Wow, loud music over there. Keep continue walking. Keep run away from that area. Wow, so loud music. You see, the road is very narrow. Yeah, a few weeks ago, my subscriber, Juice and Sam was there at Adidharma. Just over there, Adidharma. Turn right. Yeah. And now we are exactly at the front 4 Point by Sheraton. Big hotel in Benesari Kuta Bali. Well, Futurist over there is good. And as usually I make video with a skip because I just want to show you how the roads are at the moment in Benesari Kuta Bali. on Benesari Street. Yeah, it is really hot today. Wow, super hot. But not really busy, isn't it? Wow. What's happening here? And V. Also over there, lot of guest house. Yeah, because it is quiet, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Yeah, future is at the restaurant, that's good. Yeah, at the front, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Kuta Beach, still on Benesari Street. And if I straight down, there's the way to go to Lebak Bena Street. But I will make video, I will turn right because I will keep continue walking on Benesari Street. Wow, super hot. Yeah, now I will turn right because I will keep do walking tour on Benesari Street.
Này, nhìn thấy lồng vịt này. Này. Lồng vịt này kia.
Grand Lawalun, yeah, Kuta Bali. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's some people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow, super hot. Wow. Over there is Legion Street, and then if I straight down, there's the way to go to a locals area in Kuta Bali. That's the area we call Mataram. I hope you know we are at the moment. We are still on Benesari Street, but the end on Benesari Street. Thank you, bye bye.